On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday, we actually deployed our contract, and today we're going to go over what it looks like inside of the Envo terminal. So this is it inside of our regular terminal. You can see our deployment. We have our transacted broadcasted right here. The address ending in 55A524D. Then we have the block it was mined in, ending in the address 19655. So let's head over to the Envo terminal so we can see what it looks like over there. And you can see we did run it this morning, Friday the 17th, October 2025. Here's the transaction ID with the address ending in 55A524D. Here's the block it was mined in. Mind in block number 4. And here's that address 19655. So everything is working properly. You saw it deployed in our regular terminal, and you see it hitting our Envo terminal. So the next thing we're going to do is go over interacting with this contract. So we're going to pick that up tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.